Catch you riding in the whip, catch you riding in the foreign. Cause I got 6 rings, I be ballin' like Jordan. I ain't so clean, bitch I'm the king. I'm sippin' the fuck on your bitch. I gave her dick, right in the whip, ink on her click. Nah, I'm playing. And this how I do, this how I do fucking Mythizine's voice, you know what I'm saying? His voice is kind of like that. Or you just, keep the same. His reverb and shit, it be like, it's wet. So I say use the cathedral or the large hall. You did. I walk around like that nigga. You know what I'm saying? You can turn this off if y'all want to, you know what I'm saying? Walk around like that nigga. You did. Yeah, but that's how I do Mythizine's voice. Y'all put y'all treble, bass up. I ain't really do that much, cause all you gotta do just sound like that nigga. Duh. Yo. Hey, what's good, y'all? For real. Alright, so, this is NBA YoungBoy's, voice tutorial. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to put your fucking treble up, you did. Put that shit all the way up. Put your bass down so, you can hear. Your voice can widen up. You dig? I say his voice is like ambient side, you dig? Cause his voice is like, it's not like too much echoey, like it's kind of, it's echo, it's like this a little bit, you know what I'm saying? For his voice, I say what you want to do with the mid, you want to fucking put it like, maybe like, hold up, I'm about to record. Night when the beach storming, hoping everything will clear up by the morning. Damn, I said that shit so proper. Like, what the fuck? That shit was so proper. But yeah, what we finna do? We finna try to like put like change his mid to see how. Like how his sound like, you know what I'm saying? The night when the beach storming, hoping everything will clear up by the morning. The night when the beach storming, hoping everything will clear up by the morning. The night when the beach storming, hoping everything will clear up by the morning. Yeah, I say this is like how his shit should sound, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, remember, always had that track reverb off. Matter of fact, just delete that shit. Let me delete this artist. Yeah, just delete that shit. You don't need compressor. What you need is noise gate. I need to turn that down echo. But yeah, that's all y'all need for basic recording, really. I'm gonna play it again. Let me add echo. The night when the beach storming, hoping everything will clear up by the morning. Yeah, but yeah, that's NBA YoungBoy's voice. Alright, this is the Lil Uzi Vert, vocal tutorial, you know what I'm saying? Now for the mids is like right here. So like his voice is like high pitched. It's like, yeah! You know what I'm saying? You wanna sound just like him, you know what I'm saying? It really depends on the mids and the fucking reverb, like I said, and yeah. And the treble and bass always gotta go up. Track reverb, always delete that. You can add some little spice to it on the AU reverb, you can add like dry or wet mix and stuff. His reverb, I say it can be on ambience or fucking medium hall too. Yeah. Alright, so we finna test it out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah! Bitch don't quit music. Do what your goals are, ho. I know your goals are, ho. She don't wanna do them, and she be going on the phone. She be calling on the phone. She be calling on the phone. She be calling on me. But I'm just on someone like. Alright, this is the Nav voice tutorial. You know what I'm saying? His reverb, shit. I said, yeah, it's on default. It's on default, really. You know, he does put track echo on sometimes. It's negative. His color is on -51. I need to turn that down. You know what I'm saying? Too much. But yeah, fucking track reverb is not really. It's on. The repeat is on 41%. Color is on -51. Jaw is on 73. You know, the basic stuff. The AU reverb. It was changed, but every time I leave out, you know, it don't save. Fucking annoying. GarageBand need to fix that shit. And y'all know I don't change the mid. When it comes to like clear voice, there's artists. My bad if I sound sick. I'm a little sick, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I guess that's the Nav fucking tutorial, you know. This is I'm trying to make this video short, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. This is the fucking XXXTentacion vocals, bro. Alright, a lot of y'all were requesting this too. Alright, see what I did? I turned the pitch correction off and enhanced tuning, which is the pitch control. I added distortion because his voice is distorted when it comes to his songs. Well, at least his hard songs. Maybe I can do one of his singing songs, possibly in the future. But yeah, my visual EQ it's on fucking 114 hertz. Under 100, you know what I'm saying? Screenshot, look, as y'all watching this, I want y'all to follow along. Screenshot, do whatever y'all gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Pause the video, yeah. But yeah, reverb. He really don't use a lot of reverb that much. So, I mean, I could put it down. You know what I'm saying? But as y'all want to distort y'all voice, try not to, you know, fucking go loud over the beat. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, you dig? I didn't really do nothing to this plugin because it wasn't a lot of stuff that I could add. You know, it's just regular voice with distortion and stuff. You make it sound good, you see? Okay. Niggas tryna steal my style, better take it back. Ballin' hard, I be moving fast just like a running back. Tryna be in my life again, ain't no coming back. All I do is spend and get my money back. Niggas tryna steal my style, better take it back. Ballin' hard, I be moving fast just like a running back. Tryna be in my life again, ain't no coming back. All I do is spend and get my money back. Niggas would do anything for the fame. Always keeping that 100, I ain't never changed. You wasn't there for me when I went through the pain. I ain't talking Naruto, but you gon' feel my pain. All these ain't no coming back. All I do is spend and get my money back. Niggas tryna steal my style, better take it back. Ballin' hard, I be moving fast just like a running back. Tryna be in my life again, ain't no coming back. All I do is spend and get my money back. Fame, always keeping that 100, I ain't never changed. You wasn't there for me when I went through the pain. I ain't talking Naruto, but you gon' feel my pain. All these females keep on playing, I ain't playing games. I take my stuff, don't give me credit, what y'all tryna gain. I remember but complain. I still think about the past like every single day. I was always working hard. I got hella juice inside my red cup. Niggas tryna steal my style, better take it back. Ballin' hard, I be moving fast just like a running back. All I do is spend and get my money back. All I do is spend and get my money back. get my money back. All I do is spend and get my money back. Your bitch, I got your bitch, and she love my fit. She love my fit, she love my kicks.